Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an web view of your website and how to add banner and interstitial ad in that. So first you go to new Android project. In that you can put your application name. So I put YouTube here and you can give your website name here. So I'm just giving for example youtube.com, and then once you finish you just go to next. You don't need to select these two and just go to next. You don't need to change anything here, just keep it as low API as possible. So this is the lowest one here, and go next. Select the empty activity, go next, and just press finish. It will take some time to build a grid. So see, it's processing. I'll pause my video here. Okay friends, so when you can see the grid build is finished here. So once it's open, it will show two things: activity main XML and main activity Java. If it doesn't show, you can always go from here. In Java there is this is the one is activity main Java. See, main activity Java, and the XML is in here. You can always go layout and activity main XML. So if it doesn't come up, you can open these two. To make a web view, you also need an Android manifest. So in manifest you can put Android manifest, just double click that, so it will open that one as well. So we're just working on these three things. So when you go to activity main XML, there is a design and text. So you put in design, set this hello world and delete. And once it's on, you just go to text and started copying the codes. So I have three codes here which I'm going to share in my description below. So is web view, banner ad, and interstitial ad. Okay, we're just using web view at the moment, so just copy this code in till here for in activity main XML. So copy and just paste it here. Once it's done, you need to remove this constraint layout to relative layout. So what I'll do is just remove this part here and just put relative. Okay, once it's done, this part for web view is done. We go to activity main Java, as we can just follow this instruction, activity main Java, and you can copy this one and just paste after this extend before override, and paste that. Don't worry about these red things, you just need to copy paste and we can fix that later. And in the on create method, as you can see in on create, there is few code to copy paste till here, copy and paste it here in on create method. So in on create it is pasted. And the last thing for web view we need to do in my web view code is just give an internet permission in Android XML. So just copy that and go to Android manifest and give a permission here. Okay, and see in activity main Java, there is YouTube. I write a YouTube, www.youtube. You can change your website URL and put it here, or it will come up if you do it in the start. Okay, and once it's done, you just need to press this. We need to fix this red thing. You just press Alt and Enter to import and class, and just enter. For all the red thing you need to do the same. Alt Enter, import class. Alt Enter, import class, and same for the others. Okay, so once it's all done, your web view is all ready to go. So this will look like your YouTube name, whatever name you give for your app, it will come up here and your web view will be here. Okay. Now if you want to add an banner ads in it, so as I already opened my banner ad code, so for banner ad we need to open, say, Gradle app. So it's in the Gradle script. We need to just copy paste this. So in Gradle script there is a Gradle app. Just make sure you go in Gradle app, not in the project module app. In that, in below the dependency, you need to paste. Once this done, it will always ask you to sync it. So sync that whole thing. Meanwhile, we just see what's the next process to do it. So in activity main XML, we just need to copy these first. So we go in here in activity main XML. In text view, you just copy this below that XMLNS. Same thing, we put this copy paste. Once you do that, you need to take that add view, copy that, and paste below that web view. Once that's done, you see activity main Java on create method, you need to copy that, copy and paste. So activity main Java, so I'll go in activity main Java, main activity Java, sorry, and paste it after that. So if you paste it here, and once this done, we will fix that red thing later. And there is a string XML we need to copy and paste. So in extreme string, you just go, string is here in values, string XML, just paste it. So this all ready for our banner ad. For banner ad, so see, you can here again just alt enter import class, alt enter import class, so it will fix all the red thing. So your banner ad is all ready, and now we need to do the interstitial ad. So I'll open my interstitial code. So this thing, see, Gradle app, I already did for my banner ad, so I don't need to follow this first step, the rest I need to follow. So in activity Java, main activity Java, activity main Java, I need to copy that paste, main activity Java, I need to paste after the extend, and I can just alt enter to fix that all red things and import that class. And once it's done, we have few more codes for interstitial. On create method, I need to copy and paste. So after this on create method, you can paste it after your banner ad thing. Paste it here. So see, there is 2 coming up, so you can clean it here. Okay, and same all red thing can be, we need to import that class. Don't worry about this because I didn't put the string name, that's why it's coming up. So see, string XML, I finish this, it will go on. So in string XML, just copy paste this. Okay, so after all this is all ready for your banner ad codes are also, interstitial ad codes are also finished. So your app view is ready. You just need, if you want to change, even after putting this project, if you want to change your website name, you can change it here in your activity main Java, and you can make any website web view from here. You just change the code, and once it's done, you can go to min map, and I'm not doing it, but you can go in min map, just press left click, go menu, in image assets, just change this to legacy only, and then select image, and then put any image of your app, to simply go to desktop and you can put any from the desktop or anywhere is it there. So you go in desktop and select any image. See, I have this image car wallpaper. I'll just put it here and press C, it will come up here. So you can select any one here and then go to next and just finish it off here. But I'm not doing it, I'm doing cancel. But yeah, you can finish it off there and put your image. And as the other thing you need to do is just go to tool and make sure before even you start, you just see in SDK manager, yeah, you have Google Play service installed. So you see is Google Play service here. Just stick it here and apply, so it will install. Because I already installed that, I don't need to do it. The rest is comes with default, and press OK here. So it's all ready to go. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll give all the codes in my description below. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.